welcome. If you want to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Honor 7X, first of all, open your settings and then find security and location option. Security and privacy, sorry. So click it, then go into additional settings, and then first option in the list will be set SIM1 lock. So click it. And here will be first option in the list will be lock SIM card. Now I activate this option, so click here to turn off, and for unlocking need enter your PIN. So enter your PIN and click OK. And that's it. Now we unblocked our SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.